IMS shift in New York City. I'm bringing all my inventory in, my back stock, and then I have a couple meetings with people who are in town for the show. So I'm gonna go back to my office and show them that stuff, and I'm gonna load it in tomorrow.
Motorcycle culture has a kind of a romance for a lot of people. We're not so much trying to go after that, but I think there happens to be an interesting intersection right now with being able to create things that look like what someone wants to wear, whether it's denim or leather or you know, even some of the textile stuff. It's stuff you can wear on and off the bike, and I think it looks good wherever you are.
I'm the owner and creative behind Beach and BR, Breaking Hearts and Burning Rubber, which is a women's boot and lifestyle collection. I'm going to take you through a tour of my factory, and right now we're in my showroom. I've been riding for over 10 years, and I really wanted a really durable, stylish, and just comfortable boot. So I started making boots, and then the brand ended up evolving into more than just boots. It started becoming a lifestyle. So we started introducing jackets and gloves. I'm really excited to participate in New York City's International Motorcycle Show because it's a really great platform to share that with a lot of people I don't think understand what I'm doing. They think I have like a small boot company, but I don't think they understand like how driven I am and how passionate I am about it. I'm bringing my bike over to display in our booth, which is really fun. That bike itself has been a really fun process. It took like 3 years to build it. I think the really special thing about motorcycles, or for people that are just starting to get into something, is finding community and the people that are going to support you, push you, and inspire you to grow outside of your own comfort zone. I'm Leslie Padal of Breaking Hearts and Burning Rubber, and I'm so stoked to be a part of this and participate in Shift in IMS this year.